Hello everyone, my name is Katie Powers and I am a credit repair specialist and a realtor. And I am bringing this message to you today because I am offering a phenomenal package that will help repair your credit and get you into a home. So in order to get qualified to purchase a home, you need to have a minimum credit score of a 620. My credit repair program can get you there in as little as 45 to 90 days. If you go through my credit repair program, which I break into monthly payments to fit your budget, once you qualify to purchase a home, we will start shopping for a home. Once you fall in love with the home of your dreams, then we will go through the process of purchasing that home. Once you purchase that home at the closing table, I will reimburse you everything you paid into the credit repair program. Therefore, you are essentially getting free credit repair and becoming a homeowner. So this deal is only lasting through January 31st. The goal is to kickstart your dreams and your goals. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you grow and grow your assets and become a homeowner. That's essentially the goal here. So if you have any questions or would like to learn more about my program, comment below or send me a message via Facebook, Instagram, email me, call me. My phone number is listed here below. Feel free to give me a shout. We can schedule a coffee meeting or just a phone call to go over the program if you'd like. Either way, I'm here to help. So with that being said, thank you for your time and I look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.